Started. Hello, this is Charlene Riley. It is Monday, September 4th, 2007 at 11:13 a.m. and I am attempting to record one of my live trades. This trade will be based on my final trading plan. My primary strategy is breakthroughs of support and resistance using support and resistance lines that I drew during multi-frame analysis and also during my as part of my Fibonacci um, support and resistance lines. And then for confirmation, I will use either the stochastic or candlestick patterns or candlesticks. And there are no fundamental reports out right now impacting the markets, but I will also look at market volume. I am on the USD Swiss franc 15-minute chart. My risk reward ratio is 1-to-1, and my pip value is 20 cents per trade. Right now, the market had been in an overall downtrend, but I'm currently seeing the start of an uptrend. So what I'm looking for is a break above this 95680 line, which would then make me enter into a sell. We have the uptrend going, and we have indications that that's going to continue. The stochastic is currently at 66 and seems to be rising. So once we have this breakthrough, I've already waited for this candlestick to close, and now once we have the breakthrough, I will enter into the trade, and then I would enter into a buy, and I would set my take profit at this next. We have the breakthrough, and so I'm entering into my buy, and I'm setting my stop loss just below, just at the next line of support, and then I'm going to set my take profit about the same distance. So, and what I'm going to do now is modify the take profits and stop losses. Let's see, so the stop loss 70 to 53. That's 17 pips. So I'm going to make it an even 20-20. Oops. Yeah, I did enter into a line. but I definitely wanted my stop loss to be below this 95526 line, because this has been a strong, looks like a pretty strong line of support. It has held twice in the last hour, and also earlier today it held again. So, and then we can just see where it's going to go. I will adjust my stop loss level to protect pips that have been gained. Also here I saw that I had the tweezer bottom, which was an indication of a reversal to an uptrend. And I see it borne out that we did on the third candlestick, which was bullish. So I also want to note where I entered the trade, because I used my screenshots to help me analyze my trades. So I entered into the trade here, and my primary strategy is to break through support and resistance. And then I used for my confirmation stochastic above, stochastic at 66 and rising. And then also for confirmation, I had the tweezer bottom. Let me just I hate when it doesn't give me enough letters to write with. Okay, and I have my tweezer bottom indicating the reversal. And so because of these things, I entered Oh, wait a minute. So I had the breakthrough at resistance. At the breakthrough at resistance 0.95680. I had my breakthrough at resistance 95680, and I had the stochastic at 66 and rising, indicating the uptrend, and I also had the tweezer bottom indicating the reversal to an uptrend. So because of that, I entered into a buy, and I entered here. And I set my, using my 1-to-1 risk ratio, I set my stop loss at 20 points, 20 pips below my entry price, and I wanted it to be below this line of support 95526, since this was a strong line of support. And then I set, because I'm on 1-to-1, I set my take profit at 20 pips above my entry price. And then what I plan to do is monitor the trade, and as it goes up, I will adjust my stop loss to protect pips gained. And that is my executed trade.